At first, it looks like any normal drive. Clear skies, open road, nothing out of the ordinary. But in just seconds, everything changes. One wrong move, one split-second mistake. And what happens next is pure chaos. Every second you're about to see actually happened. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at driving the same way again. That's not driving with skill. That's driving with attitude. People just think they can do anything they want without consequences. This has to be the kind of crash I see the most often. What even happened here? Take notes not to do this, everyone. At least he didn't try to avoid the deer. One person not paying attention ruined everyone else's day. How do you try a U-turn without even looking? Welp, we have the dash cam of the idiot today shaking my head. This one is confusing. How does this happen? That was way too close for comfort. That's how chain reaction crashes happen. This is why we don't use our phones when driving people. Some people must be colorblind. I don't get it. This one is actually wild. Two people wanting to be in the same place at the same time. This is my worst nightmare, but as long as you don't panic, it's not that bad. Some people treat the road like a boxing ring. That's not a mistake. That's a choice. Come on, guys, really? I'll just let the clip do the talking. How did they manage to not see the car? Some people are just so impatient. Not even close. Or what are they doing? Any guess in the comments? These are starting to annoy me. It's even scarier when semi-drivers are on their phones. I think the first car was hiding the second car. Were they actively looking to crash into them? This is just so chaotic. I swear people don't understand how to drive. Not sure who would be at fault here. How are we still crashing into parked cars? You can tell this guy is in a hurry to go nowhere. Imagine if the deer jumped over them. I need a magnifying glass to see what happened. That's going to be an expensive mistake. How do you not see the car right in front of you? Some people just shouldn't be behind the wheel. I think some blame should be on the people that are letting them cross. Both of them have zero reaction time. It looked like he was trying to slow down. LOL. We can see the red light this time. I think you are forgetting something. That's a first time seeing that. What am I even watching? You can't teach awareness. Some people just don't have it. This is just so stupid. Is this guy playing bumper cars? I'm going to spam some clips, so enjoy. That's all you get without me. 4 different angles. What car is this? Switched lanes, then tried to U-turn? Some people shouldn't have a license. It looks like he wanted to hit him. Another person who is on their phone. Hard to tell who is at fault. That's going to be a mess to clean up. Who would even be at fault here? Who doesn't love some back shots? Of course they are not paying attention. This is what happens when a tanker flips. A little hit and run action. This one is a bit confusing. I think both may be in the wrong. Wrong place at the wrong time for both people. kind of a silly accident. Who do you all think is the biggest idiot of the day? Let me know in the comments as well as if you want to see more. Make sure to like and subscribe.